I built the Dark Stones Microworld metal model kit. Cost quite a bit of money, $70+, something like that, $70. Here we go. This is the Gorilla. It came in this box here. Kinda inflated. It's actually a couple metal sheet. Here's the booklet. It did not need to take this much space at all. See, they just put a bunch of plastic. Made a big box for no reason. I guess it's aesthetically pleasing. These are all the sheets. Manual, 36 pages. Has a little comic. I can't read it. There's a QR code if you wanna. Here are the different models. I got the Red Devil Scorpion currently built. The only fancy thing is building this monster of a model kit. Fit pretty nicely actually compared to the Red Devil Scorpion, like really nicely. So you got your shoulder turrets. They look pretty cool. So it says Hades Black, even though the box says Dark Stones. I don't know, I'm not too familiar with Zoids. I watched Liger, that was my favorite Zoid. There was 3 of them in the US, I think. The Liger one was the best, I think. Things. There you go. Got your turret. I like the nose. I think the nose is kind of cute. Got some nice blades, skulls, H4. So, I guess I made a mistake, because that says H4 and I guess I swapped them. No, they made a mistake. There's no way. They were both upside down. Cause you see how this is longer? 4H is upside down. This is longer, H4. Interesting. So I think I noticed that before. It's been a while since I built it, but yeah, something to look at. Got Microworld, but it looks like up here. I mean, all in all, it's a nice model. That's a simple mistake. I wish they didn't make that type of a mistake though, but nothing you can do about it. But yeah.